Hey friend, what's going on?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey friends, what's up? So today I don't really have a plan to leave the house. Well, just once, just to get some soap powder because I have some washing to do, and I have to clean up this place. It doesn't look like much of a mess, but I can see the mess. I have to sweep the floors. There were so many people here yesterday, so I have to take out the garbage. Yes, sweep, sweep, sweep everywhere. And yes, I have some washing. I have to clean up my room because I was so tired when I got home. I'm not going to focus anywhere. Sorry about the door. And yes, I have to clean this room as well. And the washroom. In fact, I have to clean everywhere. So yes, that's, well, I said I didn't have a plan, but that is a plan. I'm just going to do that. So I need to get supply for the clothes. There's a broom there already. So I just have to close up everywhere, to sweep because it's so windy and I love it, but not for dust. And I think after getting the soap powder, when I come back home, do all the cleaning and whatnot, and then I think I will go back to the supermarket because it's kind of like a mall. That's what I realized. So I'm going to go back there and possibly just film around and show you guys around, and for me as well because I went there in the night and I didn't see anything much. So yeah, I think that's going to be most of what I'm going to do for today. So, yep. Okay, there's a bit of noise outside because I think they're towing a car or whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much the plans for the day. About to go to breakfast. I don't know if you can see my eggs. Yes, I'm about to go scramble some eggs. So anyways, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so yes, I'm about to leave to go to the supermarket to get the soap powder. I have cleaned the house, but I'm just realizing I never showed you guys the place when I got there. So that's the treat I have for you. Well, it's not really a treat because you're not there to experience it, but I guess virtually that should do. So yes, let me do that for you guys before I leave because I might forget when I get back. So I'm back home, guys, and I got the machine to work, of course, because it's quite easy. Anyways, all my clothes sorted out here so I can continue washing. So I'm just gonna chill here and wait for this load so I can hang it outside and wash another set. You know how that goes. Yep. So guys, hey, I'm done with washing. My clothes are outside drying. I've taken out one set, so that's two sets on there. Didn't have much clothes. Um, yeah. So I've basically done everything that I had to do for the day. I cleaned around, did the washing. So now I'm just going to go and sleep. I know that this has been quite a not boring, but just quiet vlog because it has been a quiet day for me. Um, yeah, maybe after today I will be doing more things with my life. More exciting things maybe. Yeah. But for now, that's about it. I'm just gonna go take a rest, probably watch some Defenders or something. Yeah. Anywho, that's about it for now. So later. Hey, good night once again. So I'm here about to do with yes, and I have my sugar in here. I was going to do it with the almond milk, but I prefer coconut. And I'm also going to be doing a fruit bowl. Well, not a bowl, but fruit plate. I have all my fruits over here. When I'm done with that, I'm going to show you. Yeah. So yeah, my pan is already on there. I'm just about to set it up. Well, there it is, my cream of wheat porridge and my fruit plate. Yep, so I'm about to go in. I was trying to look for cricket, but I guess I'm just going to have to settle for news or something, or just grab my tablet and continue watching Defenders because I cannot deal. So yes guys, like I said, I'm about to go in and have my dinner and then I guess prepare for bed. That has been my day. I hope your day has been more eventful than mine. Yeah, and I hope you guys have had an awesome day, a blessed day. So much has been happening. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for everything. Anyways, have yourself a wonderful evening and see you guys tomorrow. Toodles.